Hey guys, Dan the Man 92 back in with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm going to show you a little update that I did on my toolbox, and things are better organized now, so stay tuned. So before I show you all the new stuff, I'm going to show you what I was working with. I had a few of these. I think I had like 2 more of these. But I got rid of most of them because I brought most of my sockets to work. So I was just stuck with this last one. I upgraded all my sockets. So now even my impact sockets are in the new organizers. And I will show you all of that in my top drawer. But first, I usually do this at the end of the videos, but I'm thinking about starting at the beginning now. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. Also subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And comment what organizers you guys use in your toolboxes. So without further ado, here we go. Lots of green. And the green going off with the red, it kind of looks like a Christmas theme, so. Eventually I'll get the green toolbox, but for right now, this is what I got. I also need to get a bigger toolbox too, because I can't fit any more trays in here. Like a bunch of these trays, some of these ones from Walmart, which you can rotate the sockets in them, but I definitely need a bigger toolbox to fit everything better in here. But let's start with what I got. You can see down here I have my Allen wrenches. I believe these are standard. Then I have my metric along with some screwdriver bits. I have my Phillips and then my slotted. I always forget the name of these, but Craftsman. I think these are bolt extractors. Yeah, because these grip on to the, they grip onto the bolts. I actually did a video about that a while ago, but they work. And then over here I have my universal sockets. I believe these are Sunex. I believe. Yeah, I believe these are Sunex. But so those are there, and then I have my assortment of 10s, 1/4 inch, 3/8. I have shallow, mid, deep, impact, and then swivel ones. My 3/8 sockets, impact sockets right here. I believe these are, these are metric, standard. Both of these are from Harbor Freight. Then right here I have my universal 3/8 impact sockets. These are metric. Back here I have my regular chrome universal sockets. I believe 1/4 inch, 3/8. I believe both of these are metric. I think. Yeah, both metric. Those are gear wrench. Oh, and all of these are gear wrench, Craftsman. This is gear wrench 2, I believe. Yeah, gear wrench. These are just some various adapters I got from AutoZone. So these are my 1/4 inch. I believe they're Quinn. I did a video about them, I think maybe a couple days ago. But as you can see, I'm missing some. Missing the 4 in the shallow and deep, 4.5 shallow and deep, the deep 5.5, then the shallow and deep 15. Eventually I'll get them, maybe. Then over here I have my standard 3/8. all I have is the shallow, so it goes from 5/16 all the way up to 7/8. Then back here I have my standard 1/4 inch Quinn sockets, missing the 1/8 in shallow and deep, 5/32 in deep, and the 5/8 shallow and deep. Then over here I have, actually, yeah, these were Pittsburgh, by the way. This 3/8 obviously. These are once again Pittsburgh. 19. Missing a bunch. Still need to get the deep and the 3/8 both in metric and standard. Then for my 1/2 inch impacts, surprisingly, all of my standard slots are all filled up. Even the 1 1/4, which I don't think I've ever had in a tray. So very happy that it can finally have a home. The brands are Pittsburgh and I believe, yeah, Pittsburgh, and then the Craftsman Evolve. Then in metric for 1/2 inch impacts, missing the 11 in deep, 20 in shallow and deep, 23 shallow and deep, shallow 24, and shallow and deep 25. And then it's the same with the back. They're all Pittsburgh and Craftsman. Right here I have my 3/8 impact swivel sockets. These are Pittsburgh. They're metric. And obviously, you all know this, I have my Vim Tools super stubby Torx bits, or Torx sockets. There we go, right there. And in the back I have some just duplicate 3/8 impact sockets, deep, and 2 spark plug sockets. Don't remember where I got those 3/8 ones, but I believe they're Pittsburgh. But anyway, that's what it looks like for now. Probably in a couple days I'll get some deep 3/8, but we'll see. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, everyone.